Hello, good morning, and in the video for the day we will be learning about addition and subtraction of integers. So let us first learn about addition of integers on a number line. The working rule is here that to add the positive integer we have to move to the right on the number line, and to add a negative integer we will move to the left of the number line. Let us understand this by the given examples. So in the very first part we have to add 6 to minus 2 here. That means we are adding a positive integer to minus 2. So we will draw minus 2 on a number line, and for this one adding positive integer we will move to the right on the number line. That is 6 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us put our numbers. This will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have reached 4. That means minus 2 plus 6 gives us 4. The answer is 4 here. Similarly, for the B part, minus 6, we have to add plus 2. That means we are adding a positive integer. Therefore, we will move to the right on the number line to 2 steps. After minus 6, we will move 2 steps right on the number line. So where will we reach? This will be minus 5, minus 4. So our answer will be minus 4 here. You can see the difference clearly here. Here we have added minus 2 to 6, and here we have added 2 to minus 6. So the answer is 4, but in the different signs. Now C part, this is 9 plus minus 6. We are adding a negative integer to 9. That means we are going to move left on the number line. So from 9, suppose I put my 9 here, I have to go 6 steps backward in the opposite direction to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So below 9 it will be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So we have reached the number 3. So your answer is 3 here. So here we have to add 4 to minus 5 in the next part. So to minus 5 we have to add 4. This is a positive integer, therefore we will move right on the number line 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will reach minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So your answer will be minus 1 here. Now in the E part we have to add the negative integer to minus 5. Therefore, we will move left minus 2 steps. That means from minus 5 we will reach to the opposite side 2 steps. So this will be minus 6, minus 7. So your answer will be minus 7 on the number line. Now for the F part, we have to add minus 2 to the positive integer 8, and then to the result we have to add a negative integer, that is minus 4. So let us solve this into 2 steps. First step we will solve minus 2 plus 8. So minus 2 plus 8, that means we are adding positive integer. We will move right on the number line. From minus 2, 8 steps forward. On the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have reached at the point 6. So minus 2 plus 8 means it is 6, and we have to add now minus 4 to the given number. So from 6 we will move 4 steps backward. Okay, that means to the left, because we are adding a negative integer. So this is 6, and we will move 4 steps back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So below 6 it will be 5, 4, 3, 2. So our final answer will be 2. For all this equation the answer will be 2. Hope you have understood this one. We will move on to the next question. So here in our next question we have to show in the number line the integer which is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. More than, that means we are going to move to the right side. Okay. So 3 more than 5. The number 5 we will write here, and 3 more than. That means we have to move 3 steps to the right. 1, 2 and 3. This will be 6, 7 and 8. So we have reached the position 8. Therefore the answer here will be 8. 3 more than 5 will be 8 here. Similarly, for the second part, 6 less than. Now here it is given less than. For the less than, we have to move to the opposite direction of the right. That is, we will move to the left side. So 6 less than 2. That means I will place my 2 here and we will move 6 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you can just place your number here in the reverse direction. 2, 1, 0. This will be -1, -2, -3 and -4. We have reached the position -4. Therefore the answer will be -4. 6 less than 2 is -4. In the third part, we have to tell 4 more than -1. 4 more than. Again, we will move to the right side. So 4 more than -1. That means -1 we will place here and we will move 4 steps further. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after -1, this will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have reached the position 3. Therefore 4 more than -1 is 3. Now fourth part, 5 less than 3. Less than, opposite to right. That means we will move to the left side to show the less than. Less than 3. From 3 we will move 5 steps in the backward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will be 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. So we have reached the position -2. Therefore 5 less than -3 is -2. Hope the concept of number line is clear to you. Now while addition and subtraction of integers, we will be following the rules of multiplication. That I will explain and we will move on to the further questions. Now we have reached the rules of multiplication. Now while solving the brackets, we should remember that if plus is multiplied by a plus sign, that means 2 integers that are having positive signs, the final answer will be a positive integers. And if minus sign is being multiplied by a minus sign, again the result will be a positive integer. Now when the signs are different, so here you can see that the signs are same. We are multiplying plus with a plus integer, positive integer with a positive integer, we are getting a positive integer. Negative integers multiplied by negative integers will give you again a positive integer. But when the signs are different, that means a positive integer multiplied by a negative integer or a negative integer multiplied by a positive integer, it will result in a negative integer. So this you have to remember. This is the rule of multiplication. Now when we come to the rules of addition, while adding 2 integers a and b, suppose both are positive numbers. So you will get the sum as a plus b with a positive sign. That means plus a plus b. If you are adding, you will get the sum with a positive sign. Similarly, on adding a negative integer to a negative integer, again the result will be a plus b. You will add the numbers, but the sign, the total sign for the sum will be negative because both are in the negative sign. Now while adding 2 numbers, when one is positive and the other one is negative, okay, we have to keep in mind that here we are going to subtract the numbers, okay, and we will keep the sign for the number that is bigger one. That means if a is greater than b, then what will happen? It will be a minus b. But if b is greater than a, then you will get a minus sign, okay, and the difference of these number, minus b minus a. Clear? This I will explain once again. So if a is greater than b, you will find the difference, but the sign will be of a. That means the positive sign. Okay, this will be difference with a positive sign. And if b is greater than a, the second number is greater than a, again we will find that difference, but the sign will be the sign of b. We will understand these rules by doing some examples. So let us solve some examples based on this addition and subtraction of integers now. So now it's given minus 13 added to minus 15. First we will apply the rule of multiplication. while solving the bracket. Minus 13 will be written as it is, minus 13. Now here it is plus, here is minus, and there is a bracket in between. That means we are going to multiply plus sign with the minus sign. We know the separated sign or the different signs lead to negative number. Therefore, plus minus gives you minus, and you will write the integer as minus 15. So minus 13 and minus 15. Now here we will apply the rule of addition when the numbers, that is minus a and minus b, are given to you with the same sign. Here you will add the numbers and you will apply the minus sign in front of the sum. So 15 plus 13 gives you 28, and we will place the sign as minus 28. Therefore minus 28 is your final answer. Second part, 20 plus 6. When no sign is given, that means it's understood it's a positive integer. So plus into plus. The rule of multiplication, that gives you plus. Number with the same sign gives you same sign, plus. So this is 20 plus 6. Now it's very basic addition. 20 plus 6 gives you 26. Therefore 26 is your answer here. In the C part, we are adding minus 29 and minus 14, just as same as the first part. So I hope you will try this out yourself, and the answer just let me know. Similarly, D part is similar as the B part. Okay, you will solve the answer and let me know. Now we come to the E part, that is given to you minus 30 plus 30. So plus and plus, the first rule, plus into plus, the rule of multiplication gives you plus, same sign gives you positive one. Therefore plus 30, that means we are adding plus 30 to minus 30. Now this is minus a added to plus b. We are having different signs, and we will subtract these integers, and we will put the sign of the number that is greater. But here on finding the difference, you get the difference as 0. And 0 is an integer with no sign. You cannot put any sign here. No plus, no minus. It's simply 0. So we'll write 0 as your answer. Okay, hope you will solve these sums along with me. So let us start. Minus 6 plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9. This will give you the first basic thing you have to remember is that the rules of multiplication and the rules of addition will go side by side. So plus plus gives you plus, simply minus 6 plus 9. Now this is with minus sign and this is with plus sign. Therefore we will subtract because they are of opposite sign. So 9 minus 6 will give you 3, and we will write the sign of the bigger number. We know that 9 is greater than 6 and 9 is with a positive sign. Therefore we will write plus 3, and this will be your answer here. Now in the second one, 15 plus minus 25. So plus minus, opposite sign, plus into minus gives you a minus. Therefore this is equal to 15 minus 25. Now this is plus 15 and minus 25. Again what we will do, we will subtract the numbers. So 25 and 15 will be subtracted because they are having the different signs. So the answer will be 10, but we will place the sign of the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 25, that is with a minus sign. Therefore answer will be minus 10. Third part, minus 17 plus 21. So plus and plus, simply plus. Plus into plus gives you plus. So simply minus 17 plus 21. Again they are having a different sign on addition. So we will subtract both the terms. So minus 17 and 21 will give you 4 as the difference, and we will place the sign of the bigger number, that will be plus. So this will be your answer, plus 4. So here in the fourth part we have to add minus 35 to 25. So plus into minus. Plus into minus will give you minus. Both are different sign. Therefore we will get a minus here. So this is 25 minus 35. That means plus 25 and minus 35. Again both are of different sign. Therefore we will find the difference. The difference will be 10 with the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number here is 35 with a minus sign. Therefore your answer will be minus 10. Next one, plus into minus. Plus into minus, again it is minus. That means 16 minus 9. This is plus 16 minus 9. Both are having different sign. Therefore we will find the difference. 16 minus 9 gives you 7. and we will place the sign of the bigger number. Here it is plus 16, so your answer will be plus 7. Next one, minus 10 plus 19, plus into plus will be plus. Therefore, we will be having plus here. Again, both are having different signs. Therefore, we will find the difference. So, the difference, that means 19 minus 10 will give you 9 with the sign of the bigger number. So, your answer will be plus 9. Okay, moving on, minus 217 plus minus 100. So this is minus 217 plus minus gives you minus. This will be 100. Both are having same sign. Now this is minus sign, both are having same sign. Therefore we will add the numbers. This will be 317 but with a negative sign. Next one, minus 17 plus 9. So this will be minus 17 plus gives you plus 9 simply, and both are having different sign. Therefore we will find the difference. That will be 8 with the sign of the bigger number, that is minus. So your answer will be minus 8 here. Now next one is 10 plus minus 5. So plus into minus gives you a minus. So this will be 10 minus 5. That means plus 10 minus 5. This will be the difference with the sign of the bigger number, that is plus 5. This will be your answer. Next one, this is minus 380 plus minus. Plus into minus is minus. Different sign gives you a negative number. So this will be minus 360. So now these two numbers are having the same sign. Therefore you will add the numbers. So 0 plus 0 gives you 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry over 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 740 with a minus sign. This will be your answer. The last one here is minus 65 plus 36. So this is a negative sign. This is a positive sign. We will simply subtract the numbers. So 5 minus 6 will give you, or simply you would say 15 minus 6 gives you a 9, and 5 minus 3 gives you a 2, 29 with the sign of the bigger number. Minus 65 here is greater than 36 with a minus sign. So your answer will be minus 29. Now let us extend the sums. In the next question, we have been given this whole statement to solve. So let us start solving. So this will be 37 plus into minus gives you minus. The rule of multiplication I am applying. This will be minus 2. Plus into minus gives you a minus of 65. Plus into minus gives you a minus and 8. Okay. So now what you can do is simply either you can solve stepwise. That means first you subtract 2 from 37 to the answer, subtract 65 to the answer, subtract 8. Or simply you can solve it in a single step also. Now we will choose the numbers that are having the same sign, like minus 8, minus 65, minus 2. You can add up these numbers. So 65 plus 8 plus 2 will give you 75. Okay, with a minus sign. We have added these numbers because they were having the same sign. So your question reduces to 37 minus 75. Now this is plus 37 minus 75. In the reduced form, we will simply subtract these numbers. So from 75, I will subtract 37. So this will become 6 and 15. 15 minus 7 gives you 8. 6 minus 3 gives you 3 again. So the answer is 38 with the sign of the bigger number, that is minus 38, and that is your required answer. Now we will solve the B part also. Similarly, this will be minus 10 plus 92 plus 84, and plus into minus gives you a minus of 15. So here simply again you can solve like you will add 92 to minus 10 to the answer. You can add 84, then again to the answer you can subtract 15 and get the answer. But in a single step, take the numbers that are having the same signs, that is 10 and 15, and I will add them. This will give me 25 with a minus sign. So this will be minus of 25. Now the second set is of 92 and 84. So plus 92 plus 84. Again we will add these two numbers. 4, 5, 6, 9 and 8, 17 with a positive sign. This will be plus 176. Now we have got the equation in the reduced form. So this is negative of 25 and plus of 176. Therefore, we will subtract the numbers. That means I will subtract 25 from the given number. 6 minus 5 gives you 1, 7 minus 2 gives you 5 and 1. So this is 151 with the sign of the bigger number, that is plus. So this will be the required answer. This we can follow for the subtraction sums also. So let us solve some sums on the subtraction of integers now. So for the subtraction questions also we are going to follow the same rules. Now see, this is minus with a positive sign. So minus into plus gives you a minus. Therefore it will be 72 minus 90. So this is plus of 72 and minus of 90. Therefore we will subtract the numbers. That will give you 18 with a negative sign. Here minus 25, we have to subtract minus 16 from minus 25. So minus into minus, same sign gives you a plus. So this is minus 25 plus 16. Different sign, that means subtraction. 25 minus 16 gives you 9 with the sign of the bigger number. So your answer is minus 9. Next one, 23 minus minus 12. Minus into minus is plus. So this is 23 plus 12. Both number having the same sign, just we will add the numbers. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3 with a positive sign. This is your answer. Next one, minus into minus will give you a plus. Therefore, minus 32 plus 40. Both are having the different sign. Therefore, we will subtract the number. 40 minus 32 gives you 8 with the sign of the bigger integer, that is plus 8. So answer is plus 8. E part you can see is minus 64, minus with a positive. Minus into plus gives you a minus again. So this will be minus 64 minus 5. Both are having the same sign. Therefore, we will add the integers. The answer will be 69 with a negative sign. So this is the answer. So by now you have understood that while addition and subtracting integers, we are just following the rules of multiplication and the rules of addition. The more you practice, the more you will get to know. And if you have any problem, just let me know, please. Okay, so in the next video, we will be taking up some new topic. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.